So we have completed the unlimited category. Now let's move on with limited category. Limited category code is if 100%, because the if word is the code, the if word is the acronym, and if is 100%. Limited is MHCT50. If you have seen a number plate, it is written always MH01. So here our strategy is MHCT50, or if you want you can write MH50 then CT, because MH and CT are the codes that are the specific names in which the donation is done. Then only we'll get this limited 100% deduction and limited 50% deduction. So let's learn how to take that deduction. Let me zoom little bit. Okay, this is quite visible. Limited 100%. Indian Olympic Association or national sports level body, only for companies. If companies donate over here in this specific name, then 100% is allowed as deduction, but there is a criteria for that will do. So first understand what is Indian Olympic Association or national sports level body. F stands for government. F stands for family planning. First of all, write like this: family planning by government, local authorities or approved institution. If donation is done for family planning to government, local authorities or approved institution, then limited 100% deduction is allowed. So if is completed family planning, write in the format I am telling you. First write family planning, then write donated to this people. So please copy it down. I hope you have copied this much. So now move ahead to limited 50%. Limited 50% code was C. It was MHCT. MHCT. So first understand what M is. Institution promoting minor community. Minor community. If we are donating to institution promoting minor community, then we get limited 50% deduction for that donation. How to calculate that will come to an end. That we'll learn in the end of this video. First understand the code. M is over now H. Housing Development Authority. H stands for Housing Development Authority. Now MHCT. CT stands for charitable purpose for government, local authority or approved institution. If we pay donation to the charitable purpose for government, local authority or approved institution, then limited 50% is allowed. If we pay donation to the institution promoting minor community, if we pay donation to the Housing Development Authority, then limited 50%. Now T is limited. That is notified temples, mosques, church, gurudwara, etc. If only for repair and renovation. If we pay donation to the notified temples, mosque, church, gurudwara, etc., only for the purpose of repair and renovation, then we get limited 50% deduction. And for all this deduction, if you give donation, then you have to take a receipt so that you can show it to the income tax assessee. Okay, this much is clear, I hope. Please copy it down. If it's the same format, only MHCT has changed. Write in the format MHCT 50. Why 50? 50 is the percentage. Limited, only 50% of the donation is allowed. Why limited? What is the difference between unlimited and limited? That we'll learn right now. See, add if the total donation made in if, that is 100%, and total donation made in MHCT 50%, the total donation, maximum 10% of AGTA. I hope you know now what is AGTA. AGTA I have taught you earlier is gross total income less long term capital gain at the rate of flat 20%, at the rate of flat 15% short term capital gain under section 111A. Then less deduction. Here something is new. The GTI format has changed over here. Deduction under chapter 6 except ATG. You have to calculate all the deduction. Like you have done the total sum, you have got the gross total income. After that you deduct less long term capital gain, less short term capital gain under section 111A. Let's deduct all the ATGs. Deduct all the AT. Deduct all the chapter 6A deductions. Deduct all that, and after that whatever amount you get will be the AGTI, and on that you have to calculate 10%. On that what you have to calculate 10%, and you have to see whichever will be the lower will be the amount over here, and then you have to take if 100% and if 50%. Okay, and in the exam they might either give you 100% or they either give you 50%. They don't mix it up together. So when you come in the real life, when you start your articleship, that time you will understand how to bifurcate this if 100% and MHCT 50%. Okay, so please write this much. I hope this much is written. If not, please copy it down. Please copy this much now. I hope this is done. So we are done with the tough section, ATG. Are you not feeling happy? Now all miscellaneous sections are remaining. ATGG rent paid. 25% of AGTF, 2000 per annum into 12 months. Per month, that is into 12 months. Rent paid is equal to 10% of AGTI. What here AGTI means? In this AGTI means deduction under section, this chapter 80, 6A chapter will not be taken. In the previous sum in the starting that I have taught you less long-term capital gain and less short-term capital gain, and after that what AGTI we get, that will be taken as AGTI, and on that we have to calculate. Okay, it is rent paid less 10% of AGTI. Please copy this much. It is all a self-explanatory. I don't need to explain, and this does not comes also. I hope you have copied. Now let's move to ATGGB and ATGGC. Contribution to political party. ATGGB is for company and ATGGC is for individual. So how to remember this? The C1 is the individual and the B1 is the company, because C for company, but for C it is individual and B is company. So any sum contributed by it to a political party or an electoral trust, actual contribution, and only the charitable trust under section 12AA of Income Tax Act. Income Tax Act, ICA. I have written Income Tax Act. Shortcut, you write Income Tax Act total. I am not writing it over here. I hope this much is done. ATG and ATGB same as above. You have to write the same thing. Please copy this much. I hope you have copied. These are all miscellaneous section. Rarely comes it might come in a true or false or 1 mark, 1 line or something like that. ATGGB. From my past analysis, I have never seen this ATGGB, ATRRB, ATTTA, ATU is maximally seen. ATB, ATQQB, ATRRB and ATTTA. So this doesn't mean you will forward the video and skip this. You have to listen, you have to copy it down, and you have to read it once. You can't expect anything from ICA. But still, whatever I said, do that much. You will anyways will get an exemption if you have done your indirect tax properly. ATQQB, royalty for the books. Resident author, 15% of royalty amount received, maximum 3 lakhs will be allowed as deduction. Books should be a literature, artistic or scientific in nature. It should not be school textbook, brochures, pamphlet, etc. 15% of royalty, whatever the amount or amount received, or maximum 3 lakh will be allowed as a deduction. There is no limit, only the limit is maximum 3 lakhs. So if you are now understanding what is this X and Y GTI minus Y, I hope you have understood little bit. ATRRB, royalty for patents. Amount received or maximum 3 lakh, whichever is lower, will be the amount of deduction under section ATRRB under chapter 6A. ATTTA, interest on deposit in saving account. Any income by way of this is an important section. It is very important. ATTTA, it is a small section, but it comes. Interest on deposit in saving account. It is self-explanatory. This statement says interest on deposit in saving account. Any income by way of interest on deposit in a saving account with a bank or a cooperative society or a post office. Actual interest subject to a minimum of rupees 10,000. If we receive an interest of 10,000 on a saving account, then it is the entire 10,000. If it is below 10,000, that is if it is 9,000 or 10,000, whichever will be lower will be allowed as a deduction under section ATTTA under chapter 6A. This much is clear. All the whichever account it is from whichever deposit it is allowed, I have already written saving account with a bank, a cooperative society or a post office. Only saving account, not a fixed account, not a